Hey there, in today's video we are going to show how to set up Keplr wallet with Qubetics network. As you can see, I'm already logged into my wallet. Let's assume this is the first wallet you're importing. A tab like this will open after installing the wallet. Click Import an existing wallet, then use recovery phrase or private key. It asks you for either phrase keys or private key. You can use either you desire. Now I show you how to import your Qubetics MetaMask wallet to your Keplr wallet. You need to go to your accounts, click on 3 dots of the desired wallet, then hit account details. Here you can export secret recovery phrase or private key. Choose one, for instance, secret recovery phrase. Answer questions, then enter your password, and finally, hold to reveal the keys. Copy paste them to Keplr wallet. Choose a name for your wallet and password if the wallet asks for it. Click Next. Now, it asks you to select chains. You can select desired chains from the list. Write Qubetics in the search bar and you'll find the testnet, alpha testnet, and mainnet networks. Click on them so checkmark is shown. Hit save and your wallet is successfully imported with the selected networks. As you can see, your assets are imported. You can add or remove chains whenever needed by just searching Qubetics in the Add Remove Chain section. And now you have successfully imported your Qubetics wallet to Keplr wallet. Congrats!